right now we're going to take a look at the SmallRig Video Light. Very interesting little light that I use quite a bit for my videos, but I'm going to have a real footage for you using this with the light and without the light. We're going to do that towards the last clip of this video, but here it is. Take a look all around, and then before I turn it on, I just want to show you everything that is on the side of it. So here is your standard tripod mount right there. Here is USB-C connection, which is, that's why you're seeing this connected here. And I'm going to plug it in, and I want to show you exactly what it looks like. It's already charged, but here we have this piece, and this goes into this part here. I'll show you how this works. So we see this little button there, because right now it's not fitting in, but now put it in. Okay, so now it's in. Is it in? No, it's still not in all the way. So let's take it back out. So I want to make sure that we're fully in. Push that in, and now we're good. Now we're solid. So what is this for? So this is for your camera, so you can mount it on the hot shoe or a cold shoe mount of your DSLR. Do you own a DSLR camera? If you do, then you'll be able to fit it in there, and you're going to be able to turn this to make sure that that is a snug fit. And now you'll have a really good light for your videos. And you also have another one here, so don't forget that. So you want to use a standalone, maybe on a separate stand, and that'll work out just perfectly for you. All right, so how exactly do you turn this on? Maybe like right there. You think that's what it is? Yep, you guessed it right. So once we turn it on, we see that we have a SmallRig, and it gives us turn on, rotate to turn on. So this actually feels very nice. It's got some little ridges up on the top, and there is a menu button. I'll show you what that is in just a few seconds, but let's just turn it on. Let's take a look at it. We rotate it, and just like that, look at how much light there is. See, and now I want to show you something interesting here. Okay, so 100% right here. That means that's the power of the light that's going into it. Okay, so as we turn the other way and we start bringing it down, you see that it's going down. And watch what happens as I keep going. I can bring it down all the way down to 0, so that like literally shuts it off, but we don't want to shut it off. The other interesting thing is that by this push of this menu button here, that see now it's going to switch to this Kelvin. Okay, so that is going to give us a different light effect, which is going to be either cold or warm depending on your needs. So this is a very cold, up to 65 K. Okay, so this is a cold looking video light right there. Okay, and then but if we keep turning, we go the other way, now we have more of a warm, like daylight. You see the difference? You see, looking at my hand, see that difference right there. And this entire time, as you can see, but you're wondering, there is the battery indicator. All right, so it's got 4 notches, and as the battery keeps used, it's going to keep going down in power. All right, so let's turn it off and let's connect it. Let's have a look at it. And yeah, just make sure you take a look at the real raw footage that I'm going to show you. I'm going to connect it to the camera, and we're going to film that in just a second. But let's connect the USB-C, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's connected. Okay, so there it is. So this icon represents that it's being charged. Okay, and I'm going to put in a little footage here of what it looks like when it's fully charged. So take a look at that, and then we'll come back. When the SmallRig Video Light is fully charged, this is what the icon in the middle will look like. All right, so there it is. Let's take a look at what it looks like. I'm going to have this adapter on top of the camera here, and then we're going to have some real footage. All right, you ready? Let's check it out. So this is a raw example without the SmallRig Video Light. So this is what you're seeing, just regular indoor light inside of a room. So if you were filming typically, this is what it might look like, which is not that great. So we're going to turn on the light right now, so you're going to see the actual footage. This is just like promised. All right, so we're going to give it a switch right here and turn it back on, and we're going to start turning the dial on the back, just like I demonstrated, and just like that. So there you go. That's exactly what it looks like. I have it on 65 Kelvin, which is very cool light, and I have it set to 100. So this is exactly what it will look like. So to me, it's far better if you have an option to use a video light. I would suggest you use the video light, because I just think it looks much, much better. That's exactly what it looks like. I'll turn it off and see You can see the difference when I turn it off. Okay, that's how you turn it off, and you see it's not as predominant, and I prefer to have it on, so I just think it looks much better. And you can control how much light you got coming in to it, or you can control how cool you want it to be. See, so that's a little bit cooler, not more warm, but you can see a lot more detail. I think it's far better. Okay, SmallRig Video Light.